Hi, I will show you how you can approach painting portrait using the glaze painting technique. I will show you how I painted my own interpretation of Raphael's Portrait of the Young Man. I would love to invite you to take part in our Return of Raphael contest and show you how you can create realistic artwork using the Glaze app. I start with the contest sketch. Let's get started. Step 1. The sketch. I carefully observe the model, in this case Raphael portrait, and try to capture the features as accurate as possible: nose, lips, eyes. I sketch the hair and the outline of the face. Drawing is about the searching for likeness. Here, structure matters more than perfection. Not everything needs to be precise. Even a loose outline of the beret or background will help later when I start painting. First color, umber, a bold choice to begin with. This pigment is sensitive to the medium ratio but creates expressive results. Next step, ochre. I recommend applying multiple layers of the same color, modeling it to express the 3D form of the face. Now, cadmium yellow. At this stage, it's important to think of the whole image, not just details. A little painting trick. With a dried brush, I gently wipe the paint off where I want more light to come through. Time for red, geranium red. Once again, I glaze most of the painting, experimenting with the dilution levels. To get a dried brush effect, just use the maximum dilution. Then comes blue. I will build the landscapes and death. Cool colors like blue and green creates a sense of distance when placed next to the warmer tones like yellow and red. Watch how I use blue with the dilution to create a smooth gradient from light to dark sky, all with the same brush. Now comes the opaque white, clouds. I add them when the sky is finished with the impasto. I also use diluted white on the face to start working on form. Cadmium yellow, which is more opaque than the cobalt yellow, helps me to deepen the colors and unify the whole image. Back to ochre. I use a thin supple brush to paint the hair. Blue again. My goal was to create the rich green wall. Earlier, I used the cadmium yellow, and now layering blue gives me the color I was aiming for. Final touches, I add color to the eye with blue and bold touches of ochre. Done. For more videos and tutorials, visit our website glaze.art. Thank you.